Hey, what is up all you do-it-yourselfers? My name's Dylan Taylor. This is Dylan's DIY Workshop, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add leaves to a tiny little bonsai like this.
So we're going to start off here with some green paint. Now, oh, this is not where we start off. Hold on a sec. Beep! Okay, so we actually are going to start off with a tree that is exactly the same as the one that I made in my last video, at least in the way that it was made. So you take a tree that is built like this, and if you want to know how exactly I built that, I will leave a link to the other video right here up in the top right of the screen, and also a link in the description. You can check that out. So once you have a tree that looks like this, if you want to make it even cooler, even better, or you want to add just a little bit more character or add more life to it, what you want to do is add color in the form of leaves. This is a little bit more difficult than just making the tree in the sense that it takes absolutely forever. But what we're gonna do is take these tiny little tweezers, as small as you can get, and since this is wire that is, I'm guessing, almost as small as 30 gauge, what we're gonna do is grab that right at the end with the tweezers and roll it over so that we have a loop at the end of every single branch. And depending on how many wires you added to your tree, in this case I added 6 different strands of, I believe, 15, so that's 120-ish, over 100. I think 60 plus 30, 90. That's 90. 90. Okay, now that we've done some math in this video too, there's 90 different branches that I had to use the tweezers on, and that's what I've done here. And once you get all that done, it's pretty straightforward. We take some green paint, which is where we started this video off because I'm doing a voiceover. Take some green paint and a toothpick, and all we do is dab a tiny bit of paint on either side of each one of those loops, and then you end up with leaves. Just let it dry and make sure that you don't touch anything else with it, and give it a fair amount of time to dry. I gave mine a day, and then I went back and realized that there was still quite a few that I didn't get, and that's something that you're gonna have to check over, because when there's 90 different little loops, you might not see them all the first time. So once you've dabbed it on both sides, that's pretty well it. That's where this video comes to an end. It's that simple. So make sure that you wear some respiratory equipment when you're using this paint. It is pretty toxic, and as far as I know, it will cause cancer, so be careful with that, but I will also leave a link to it in the description of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and back to the me outro, Dylan. The Dylan in the outro. Okay, goodbye.
Okay, I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you guys want to check out the other videos that I've made, the bonsai videos, there will be a playlist link in the description. You can check those out. I've made one every single year right around Christmas time, and this year I'm making a few. A huge thank you to all of my Patreon supporters for supporting me on Patreon and allowing me to keep creating videos like this. So thank you to you guys, and if anyone else wants to help support my channel or the things that I do, Patreon is a great way to do so, and there will be a link in the description, as always, and up here, as always. And a special thank you to my top tier Patreon supporters, Randy, Robinbert, and Mike Maxwell. You guys are extra special. And that is going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, please share this video with a friend. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up. See you guys all next time. Peace out.